Here we will write a program to accept dictionary elements and a number and multiply dictionary elements with a number if the dictionary element is odd using dictionary comprehension. So first in comment line we will write first we will define empty dictionary and we will accept total number of elements to store in dictionary as n equal to int input. Enter total element to accept. Then we will use for loop for accepting the dictionary element. So for I in range 1 comma n plus 1 and we will accept the element as e equal to int input enter element and we will store in dictionary as d of I equal to e. That is, for ith element we will store the value of e. Then we will print original dictionary as print d. Then we will accept the element for multiplication. So n1 equal to int input enter number to multiply and we will multiply this number with dictionary elements using dictionary comprehension. For this we will create new dictionary as new d equal to for key value into n1 if value mod 2 not equal to 0 else we will print value. That is, if the element is odd it will multiplied by n1 else it will print original value for key comma value in d dot items and will print new dictionary with print new d and we execute. I will give total element as 3 and I will enter the elements. First it will print original dictionary, then I will enter the number 3. It will print new dictionary with elements 9, 4 and 15. That is, if the element is odd it will multiplied by 3. So for 3 and 5 it will be multiplied by 3 and for 4 it will print 4 as it is since 4 is even. That is, for odd element it will multiplied by 3 and for even elements it will print even element as it is.